Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today I deep fried some yam in my deep fryer. Let me share with you how to do this. The yam will always come out crispy, soft and delicious. So let's get started. So I'll start by cutting, peeling and slicing this half tuber of yam. We have it. I'm done slicing all of them. I'll take it to my kitchen sink to rinse very well. Then add salt to taste. Mix very well. To fry my yam, I'm using my electric deep fryer. So I add some oil into the deep fryer, allow it to heat up, and then start adding your yam. Sorry, I was already frying some yam before I remember that I'm a content creator. So you can always bring out the basket first, add the yam, and then drop. And most times I like to cover the deep fryer so that oil will not splash everywhere. And again, it helps the yam to be crispy but soft. Yeah. After about 5 minutes, the yam is fried, but I want it a little more golden or browning. So I'll cover again and allow it to fry for about 2 more minutes and then take it out from the oil. And here we have our deep fryer fried yam looking so beautiful and yummy. Using deep fryer helps to make less mess. Because if I'm frying it in my frying pan or pot, oil will be splashing everywhere. But with this,